Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Marble Track Set is probably one of the most exciting toys you can get for your kids. It's a fantastic way to spark their creativity and problem-solving skills. Building these tracks is not just fun, it's an educational experience that teaches them about physics, engineering, and spatial reasoning. Get ready to watch your kids' faces light up as they design and build their own marble runs. Number 5. National Geographic Glowing Marble Run Construction Set. Get ready for a thrilling adventure. This construction set allows you to build your own marble run with exciting action pieces and track pieces. It's a fun way to explore your creativity. The pieces fit together snugly, so the marble maze won't fall apart. With sturdy bases and track pieces, it ensures hours of fun without interruption. This design makes it easy to build and play. Watch the marbles glow as they race down the track. This kit includes 15 glow-in-the-dark glass marbles in various colors. Kids will love the visual experience. Keep everything organized with the included storage bag. It makes it simple to store all the pieces and marbles in one place. This feature helps keep your play area tidy. Learn about physics and aerodynamics while having fun. The included learning guide provides insights into the science behind the motion. It's an educational and entertaining toy. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. The company focuses on education, imagination, and creativity. You can expect a great experience. What we like. This set features glowing marbles, adding a unique visual element to the play experience. If you are looking for a marble run that stands out with its cool glow effect and educational value, you should consider this one. It's perfect for kids who love a bit of extra excitement in their building projects. What people say. Fun toy for kids to use. Stacks well and kids learn from play. This a decent set with parts that easily fit together to build any tower that you can think of. We love the glowing marbles, they even have a light that makes them glow super fast, and their beautiful colors. Number 4. Marble Genius Marble Run Starter Set. Get ready for excitement with this set. It has 130 vibrant pieces, perfect for kids aged 4 to 8. Watch marbles cascade through the translucent pieces, sparking creativity and engineering skills. Looking for a great gift? This is an educational Christmas present that encourages problem-solving and imagination. It's a fantastic STEM toy for holiday fun and learning. Assembling the marble racetrack is a breeze with kid-friendly connectors. This ensures stable structures for endless play. It's ideal for family holiday activity sessions, bringing everyone together. The included app enhances play with step-by-step guidance and challenges. It's perfect for expanding marble run skills. Available on iOS and Android, it offers exciting ways to explore new designs. Combine this set with others for more complex marble maze games. It caters to both beginners and seasoned builders. This promises endless hours of fun for all ages. What we like. With its easy-to-connect pieces, building is a breeze, making it ideal for younger children. If you have kids aged 4 to 8 who are just starting with marble runs, this set is a great choice. It's designed for easy assembly and endless fun, perfect for family time. What people say. The translucent pieces make it easier to track the marbles as they go through the run. The additional stunt pieces make it possible to have more involved and complex runs. Parts fit well and offer infinite variety of arrangements. Number 3. Marble Genius Marble Run Super Set. Introducing the Marble Genius Marble Run Super Set. This dynamic set is designed for kids ages 4 to 8, making it a perfect holiday gift. It encourages creativity and imaginative play. Get the whole family involved with this exciting building toy. It offers endless fun and challenges, perfect for creating memorable moments during the holidays. It fosters teamwork and problem-solving. Looking for an educational Christmas present? This set is a fantastic gift for kids. It boosts their creativity, providing hours of constructive entertainment. Encourage young minds with this STEM toy that blends learning and play. It supports educational growth while keeping the festive spirit alive. It's perfect for boys and girls. Enhance your building experience with the Marble Genius app. It offers step-by-step guidance and new challenges. This transforms the set into an exciting educational game for kids. What we like. This set is designed to engage the whole family in a fun and challenging activity. If you are looking for a marble run that encourages teamwork and problem solving, this is the one. It's perfect for creating lasting memories during the holidays or any time of year. What people say. The set is incredibly easy to assemble, and the instructions are straightforward and easy to follow. The translucent pieces make it easier to track the marbles as they go through the run. The additional stunt pieces make it possible to have more involved and complex runs. Number 2. JOYIN 207 PCS Glowing Marble Run. This is a premium marble run set with 207 pieces. It has transparent parts, offering endless fun as you watch the marbles race along the tracks. The set includes 147 colorful action parts made of high-quality plastic and 60 regular-sized glass marbles. It's designed for durability and long-lasting play. All the tracks are easy to connect, and the set is stable once built using our specially designed molds. It's simple to put together, providing hours of entertainment. This STEM marble run set includes assembly instructions to help kids develop hand-eye coordination. They can then build different tracks using their imagination and logical thinking. It's perfect for developing creativity, logical thinking, and hand-eye coordination. Playing with it helps children gain patience and problem-solving skills. This product meets US safety standards and has been safety tested and approved. It is 100% non-toxic, ensuring a safe play experience for all children. What we like. This set offers a large number of pieces for maximum building possibilities. If you like a marble run that provides a wide variety of track options and promotes creativity, then this is a great choice. It's designed to keep kids engaged and entertained for hours. What people say. My 2 girls, 6 and 2.5, both enjoy this. The pieces are a little difficult to push together, but I see this as a plus because it means they will stay together. Love all the possibilities, and the glowing marbles are great. Love that it came with a light to help illuminate them. Number 1. Meland Marble Run, 132 PCS Marble Maze Game. This exciting set comes with 102 translucent building pieces and marbles that glow in the dark. It's designed to spark creativity and provide hours of fun for kids. The interchangeable pieces allow children to create countless marble run designs. A helpful booklet guides them through the building process, suitable for all skill levels. This toy improves hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. It also encourages patience and boosts self-confidence as they complete their marble runs. Made from child-friendly ABS material with smooth edges, it ensures safety. It also keeps children entertained, giving parents some well-deserved free time. With its neutral colors, the set is perfect for all kids aged 3 and up. Parents can join in the fun, building alongside their children and strengthening their bond. The translucent pieces let kids see the marbles race from top to bottom. The set includes tower bases for building bigger and sturdier marble runs. What we like. This set includes glowing marbles and translucent pieces for a unique visual experience. If you have a child who loves to see the marbles in action and enjoys building, this set is perfect. It's designed to provide hours of fun while encouraging creativity and problem-solving skills. What people say. The marble track is well designed. The marble track is easy to assemble. The marble track is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.